the fire for so long, but you show me better.
First of all, I describe camp as it's been refreshing. It's been a good chance to get away and just focus on and listen to God. One of the interesting things that I've pulled away from this week has been you have to be set apart before you can be sent. It's worth it. That's why
God showed me this week that no matter what we do, no matter what sin, there's nothing that can take us away from Him and out of His will. Even if we try to go the complete opposite way, God's going to find a way to put you right back in His will of doing what He wants you to do.
God showed me this week that I really don't need to worry about the little things. I can just put it on Him and that He will truly take care of it. I don't need to worry, stress for hours about small things, and that He really will take care of you and be with you. With my family group, I was with 7 girls, and I was friends with some, maybe not so with others, and I just bonded so quickly with all of them, and I feel like I have friends for life now, and I feel so close with them, and I just love that.
No matter what school you go to and what crowd you hang out with, if you leave Him and don't act like a man of God, you can always come back to it, and He will always love you no matter what.
I never knew a love like this before, the kind of life that I cannot find on my own. I've seen the world, but I have never been so sure that I want your heart. God, I just wanna be where you are, where you are. I just wanna be